Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to add HubSpot data to PDF and email to client via Gmail using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. So let's begin. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create as App button. Next, search and select the HubSpot app. And choose the new contact as a trigger. Let's use the default properties. It already contains the first name, last name, and email that we need to perform this app. Let's click on the Test Trigger button to make sure that we can retrieve the newly added contact information. We successfully fetched the latest contact. Let's proceed to PDF.co and add this data to the PDF template. Search and select PDF.co app. And choose the PDF filler for the action event. Let's configure the PDF filler. In the Source PDF field, enter the link of your source file. In the Text Object field, enter the X and Y coordinates, page number, contact's first and last name from HubSpot, font size, and font name. Now, let's test the PDF filler to make sure that we set it up correctly. The PDF.co return the PDF template's output URL. We are now ready to send the PDF to the new contact's email address. Let's add another action and choose the Gmail app. Then choose the Send Email as the action event. Let's add the contact's email address from HubSpot in the To field. And add your email address in the From field. In the Subject field, add your custom email subject. In the Body Type field, let's use the plain type. In the Body field, type in your email message. In the Attachments field, select the PDF filler output URL. Let's test our email configuration. We successfully sent an email to the client using Gmail. Let's check the Send Email in the recipient box. Here's the PDF document with the new contact's first name and last name in our specified coordinates. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.